this video, we are going to make the creamiest and richest chocolate choco chip ice cream at home. So for that, I'll be adding 1 cup of full fat milk, and then this is a cocoa powder. Any brand is fine. You need to sieve it before adding to the milk so that there are no lumps into it and we get a very fine consistency of the liquid which we are preparing here. So it already looks so yummy, and to give it a little bit of sweet taste, now I'm adding this brown sugar. You can add normal sugar also to it, or if you want to make it more healthier, you can add jaggery or date syrup to it. So after that, you need to cook it for some time, and you have to cook it on a low flame. See to it that this mixture doesn't get burned or the flavor may change. After cooling, this mixture is going to thicken a bit, so see to it that you don't overcook it when you are putting it on a flame. So now, since we are making an ice cream, we need to add cream to it. So the cream here I have used is Amul full fat cream, since the kids are going to have it, and I am not using the whipping cream or the normal sugar cream over here, because this full fat cream is extremely rich of calories, and they have a lot of nutrition into it that is good for the kids to have, and that's the reason I am using here Amul cream. And I have also added here, you could see that 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 1 tablespoon of sugar to it I have added for the thickening purpose. And now it's time to add the cooled version of our cocoa which we have just prepared, and see to it that you add cooled one, okay? Do not add the warm or hot syrup to it. So see to it that you add cooled mixture to the cream. And now it's time to add some choco chips. So this is Hershey's choco chips I'll be using here. If you don't have this, it's absolutely fine to add any chocolate which you have at home, or you can get it from market like Cadbury bar or any chocolate. You can just crumble it a bit and just add it to this. Now you could see I just dabbed some of the choco chips so that when you scoop it, you get it in it. And this is for the दिखावे के लिए ऊपर से थोड़े से I have added more of choco chips. Here the trick is, friends, we need to add the cling wrap or any plastic sheet on top of this cream, right? Why we are doing this is so that the ice crystals are not formed between the gap of the lid and the ice cream, because then you would get the same taste as you get it in the market, and we don't want the ice crystals or the watery consistency to it. This is going to be very, very creamy and rich sauce, of good calories, I would say, for the kids. So yes, now it's time to open it. But I was asked to open this a bit early, for say around 4 hours we could rest it, since we made it in daytime, and the kids were like behind me to open it and they wanted to have this ice cream. So anyways, we got this consistency, and just let it rest for around 8 to 10 hours I would suggest, because we are using a full fat cream here and not the whipping cream, so that you get a very fancy ice cream type of consistency. This is a cream and it is going to be creamier, right? So just give it some time, rest it overnight. That is a trick you should use if you have kids at home, because they are very tempted to open and eat it what you have prepared at home, right? So when they are sleeping in the night, that is the time you just rest your ice cream in the fridge, and then in the mornings they can have it. And look at this. Isn't it looking yummier? It was super delicious. Do try it at home. It is a very simple recipe, and I believe ice cream, most of the kids like it, and this is a healthier version, so why not to try it at home? I hope you enjoyed watching the recipe. Next video, we went to this Hatta Dam in Dubai. It is a wonderful place and very close by to the Dubai city, and it has totally different landscape you can see in this clip I have put. So stay tuned. Subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to our channel. Be a family member. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take good care, friends. Bye. Like it. And this is